Hello and welcome to this second tutorial video on how to make a polo shirt with frill collar for your ragdoll. We're going to start off by making the plackets which form the front opening of our polo shirt, and I just love that word placket, so I'm just going to keep saying placket at every opportunity. I'm folding them right sides together, so in half along the length, right sides together. My plackets have got a bit of an angled top, so I'm going to pin those together, probably try and do it a little more evenly than I have there, and then I'm going to sew across the top, so I might as well just pin the other placket here across the top. It's only this very top edge that we're going to be sewing, so this is right sides in, wrong sides out, and then we're just going to sew across that slightly angled top there. Now this interesting little bit is the front of our polo shirt, and it has an opening, a straight line down with a V at the bottom, and that is where we sew our placket. But first of all we turn it right side up. Our plackets are turned right sides out, and we're going to put the open edge of the placket against the open edge of the neckline, and just 5 millimeters down from the curved neck it sits, and we're going to sew right down to this bottom of this V. So let's place a few pins to hold that into position. So this is all right sides together. We're sewing onto the front right side of the polo shirt, and let's place the other placket. Just love that word, placket. Let's pop that into position again, 5 millimeters down from the edge, all the open edges together, and we're going to sew down to the bottom of that V. So let's pin it in place. There we go. And one down at the bottom. And our usual seam allowance of about 5 millimeters. Going to sew down there to the bottom of that V. And on the other side, this is what it's going to look like on the other side. We're going to sew from there down to there, just in a straight line down, and the same here, just down to there. We leave the V at the bottom, and once it's done it looks like that. And what you can do now, and I love this bit, you just tuck that through the opening like that, and on the other side do the same, tuck it through, and doesn't that just look so adorably neat already? So this is the reverse side, the back, and now what we have to do is neaten up the bottom to hold it in position, and we do that by sewing through our plackets and this little V. So let's fold that in half. You're just going to sew straight across there, catching the V as you go. Sew through your plackets and the V all the way across, and that'll neaten up that bottom edge right across there. And just finally, and because I can, plackets, 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 plackets. That concludes our tutorial video. I hope it's been helpful. If it has, please subscribe. We'd love your feedback and a like. There are more videos coming soon.